Today, me and one of my friends are going to be doing an OG challenge. And the rules of this OG challenge are we're going to be using only OG
Dude, I told you to go on private. Who is this?
only OG items, no hip slots, and we're going to be wearing our OG fits just for fun. So, let's do it. We're going to Forest.
Yeah, Armstrong Cave. I ever remembered like it was yesterday, bro. I just want to say how much I absolutely despise
I remember the first
field.
time I joined Animal Company, I stumbled my way out of.
Oh, it's Armstrong right here.
I stumbled
That's
my
one
way
way
out
to do
of
it.
stump, and
Oh, dude.
unknowingly
Look.
walked. I stumbled my way out of
That's
stump
not
and
OG.
unknowingly walked onto
Get that
a
out of here.
I have a bunch of.
Landmine field, bro. That was fun. Put that in your bag.
I already have my bag is full of ammo.
That just. Yeah. I decided to go pretty.
You know. I have an idea. Come. And we missed. Yes, we missed. Oh my god.
They just respawning in.
Yeah, that's the.
I already killed it.
That's
It
just
didn't.
something
It didn't
about
drop
the
any
Christmas
OG
update.
items.
That's just something about the Christmas update.
Yeah, they just spawn in.
Everything spawns everywhere.
Oh. Ah, spider! You're not OG. Get the heck out of here.
Who the flip are you?
Okay, is there anything up there? Hold on, let me check. Is there?
Uh-oh. Move out the way.
Oh no, you killed me. Nah, I'm joking. I'm alive.
Why is there...
Okay, there's only a bit
I
of junk
almost
up here, so
hit that landmine.
Yeah. Ow. Ow. Armstrong is trying to grief me. Get that stupid looking thing out of here.
I got my skills.
Oh, chicken!
I use
Chicken.
skill.
Chicken
I use
and bomb.
like Gorilla Tag skills in Animal Company. I use like Gorilla Tag skills.
Just shoot the chicken!
It's dead. You can get its egg. Get its egg.
Oh boy, I'm gonna go take out bomb.
Get the egg, bro.
Bomb, where are you?
The egg.
Right. Why are you going towards the bomb?
I don't know. Why is Coach dead? Look at bro's pose. Look at bro. Bro got slept.
Bro's posture is cooked. They should make like an OG version of Animal Company, like bring back. Oh.
Memories. Also, I got something to show you. Look at this.
Where are you?
God dang it. Come here. Alright, let's keep going. Go over there. You explore.
Oh, it's the thing.
Wait. Before we go back, let's go get the egg. I hear chicken.
What the?
What? Oh, he's dead.
That was easy. Yeah,
No.
dogs are outside.
Yeah, they're downstairs.
I hear chicken. Chicken jockey's here.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my god! Bro, you might want to see this. Come here.
Wow.
Come here.
Honestly. Hold on, dude. I'm doing something. Wait.
Bro is speedy.
Jesus, wow, we got
He's a speedy boy. He's a speedy boy. Bro,
Okay,
look at
I'm
this.
back.
He's a speedy
I'm
boy.
back. I'm back.
Oh no! He's dead. Okay.
Yeah, we need to do this.
I shot him
It just makes it too
and
easy.
lagged like a couple seconds before
It
he
makes it
actually
too
died.
easy if you have the shotgun. You know, we should do this with only a...
Crowbar. Uh-oh. I'll unload. Yeah, I'll just have like a little bit of ammo left. This is gonna be my
There you
last
go.
time using the shotgun.
Get away from my friend! Oh.
Uh-oh. Oopsies.
How much ammo do you have?
That much?
I only need
Do
to
this with like either flashlights only or...
Alright, I'm not gonna use
flashlights and
any more of
crowbars.
that ammo.
Oh, there's more ammo.
There's more
Uh-oh.
stuff over here.
I died.
What the heck?
I died.
Just come here.
Pain hurts.
Yeah, of course it does. Also, I found more loot over here.
Bruh.
Alright, let's restart this. Only
Alright,
flashlights.
Yeah. We're gonna do a
Only
redo.
flashlights and bags.
This time,
Only flashlights.
let's go to Haunted Mansion.
No, let's do like all the maps and forests, because why not?
Oh, just flashlights and bags?
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh. And if we kill something, we get its loot. Let's just hope we get a crowbar from one of the drops. Oh, I forgot that red light, green light can spawn.
Yeah, you can.
I look deep down into my heart. Uh-oh, move!
It's just
Move!
Okay, we're good.
Dude, just
Yo. There's a pipe. I want to get the pipe and kill it. By the way, guys, I just ate a 3-day-old Whopper. It was half cut in half Whopper. It was wrapped in a plastic bag. Oh, no! Uh-oh. No! Yo, bro, can you come back?
Dude, did you get the pipe then?
I got the item.
I thought you said you grabbed the pipe so you could kill it.
I got the pipe.
You got him?
I killed it.
Killing him?
Very nice.
I got the pipe. Where did my flashlight go?
Nice. I don't... Oh, it's over here. No, it's not. It's not over here.
I got a pipe, okay.
Armstrong!
Oh.
Just chilling. Watch out. Landmine is right there. Aw, heck yeah. This ain't OG, but it'll do.
I don't think we can't use that. We gotta get the loot, and we have to successfully make $5,000.
Yeah, so only junk items and yeah. Okay, there's some stuff here.
Chicken is in there. Do we take the risk? I say
No,
we
we
go
go
in here
this way.
first. Let's go. Uh-oh.
There's a lot of good loot.
Yo, there's a pipe over there for you. Don't tell me you died.
I didn't. I was
Bro, it's so annoying having to set down your stuff. But, like, that's the OG way.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a bomb in there.
If you ask me, it just adds challenge.
Honestly? It's running on the landmine.
You mean
why don't
it's
you go
running
get
on
that
the
pipe? Why don't you go get that pipe?
Ow.
Bye. Oh my god. Oh, what
Behind you!
Chicken is right there. Get that pipe. Get the pipe. Get the pipe. Get the pipe. Oh, kill it. Use your shotgun. Use your shotgun.
A lot of stuff.
Oh, guess what? What if... We got Coda. I missed! Oh. Oh my god. Bad boy. Alright. We're gonna get. Also, we can't sell the shotguns because that would be cheating.
Yeah, I think we might be good to go. I got a bunch of them.
I also got a bunch of loot. Yo, I got an actual crowbar now.
Yeah, we can use that.
Oh no, the chicken, help the chicken.
What am I supposed to do?
I'm dead.
I dropped. I can't do anything.
Can you move
I
out the
lost.
way and wait till it goes away and then revive me? Like, move over there, bro. Go revive me. No, run.
No, you're rush.
Oh, I got it.
Grab your stuff. You got all your stuff?
A ton of loot in here.
Nice.
Do you think we should, like, make a break for it and run?
Oh yeah, dude, I have my bag full of treasure.
Oh,
I heard a bomb spawn.
get the stuff.
Yeah, watch out, because those things have, like, stupid boxes. Oh, there's more loot over here. More loot.
My body fell in the lava.
Same.
No! That's all our progress.
Alright, just respawn. We'll do it.
It's kind of fun, though. It's kind of fun. It's a lot more...
Every time we die, we get a new item. So this
No.
time, we get a crowbar.
Cause like the difficulty's the fun of it, you know?
You know what? Yeah. I mean, it's possible.
Yeah,
to get
you can't hold
weapons.
20 items, which you normally can. You have a limited light source, and you have to get lucky with being able to... It's kind of fun, actually.
I know. That's what made
Yeah.
I think that's actually part of what made OG Animal Company fun. Because it was an actual challenge. Hold up. I dropped my dang controller.
Fair. Should make like a OG Animal Company setting where you have only the old items and the modern maps, but they're kind of oldified.
Part of the reason that old Animal Company was better and more fun
Bro, I found a pipe. I found a pipe
reason that
right
Animal
off the
Company
bat.
was better and
Right
more
off the bat.
fun
I found him.
was because it actually had a challenge to it.
Come on, take this. I'm gonna go strangle that thing. I got it. Thought he could kill. Oh, come on. I only have ammo. I strangled that thing to death, and what's my reward? Some ammo I can't even use.
Hope you die in a fire. Hope you'll be stuck. Okay, he's dead. And that crowbar.
Crowbar? Bet.
Crowbar's mine. You can have the pipe.
I take pipe happily.
Honestly, I love doing these sorts of videos because they're actually fun.
Yeah, it's almost like a challenge. Can't.
Oh, do we risk it and try and get chicken? Do you wanna? Uh-oh!
Ah.
Run! Run!
I don't need to run. I'm invincible.
Okay, wait.
It's dead, I'm alive.
Do you wanna see if we can go get our loot?
Oh, egg. Yeah. Let's see if we can grab our loot.
Oh.
Oh wait, no, mine fell in the lava.
So did mine. It's gonna kill Mimic. No, it's not. It's dead. Can't use those.
Thing dead.
Can't use
Guess who got a
those.
shotgun?
Bruh. Alright, keep it handy. Keep it handy.
RPG.
Unless you just just got gold.
Guess who just found a lot? They'll take it as charity.
Ooh, ruby. I'm glad they actually added this. Yeah, you have to.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I miss this map so much.
I really
Alright.
do.
I think we're good to go back. Also, whoever thought it'd be funny to put a landmine here, genuinely. For you.
They need to be fired.
No, I think it's kind of funny actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's annoying.
with that should we do like sewer next?
Oh yeah, because I guess we kind of completed this forest map, so we'll move on to sewers.
Ooh, no, wait. We should do we should do haunted mansions. That would.
Well, we'll do haunted mansion at the end because it's the it gives us the most money. So for right now, we have $1,500. We need to get like 5,000 in order to win and end the video. So let's go to sewers. Sewers can actually help us.
Well, haunted mansion. I mean,
I can't wait till they get rid of all the stupids in sewers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate those. Plus,
The weird
scary
creepy
ladies
crawly
here
man.
too. Scary ladies here too, by the way.
Yeah, but only in like
Get the
later
gem. Get the gem. Turn the flashlight off. Get the gem. Gem.
Do it.
Get the gem.
A spider. Oh god, Armstrong's here too.
Oh god, we gotta rush past them. Be fast.
Dude, I can one shot them both.
I need these. Oh! Help.
Oh, that's perfect. It's so perfect.
Get it and leave.
I'm sure we
Get
can't
it
use that. What the? Alright, I'm gonna just use these. Ah! I don't have a weapon! I don't have a weapon!
I have weapon. I got it. You're gonna die, bro.
I know I am. So, I think there's a mimic over there or something.
The mimic is killing himself, bro. We've made it.
Emo mimic.
Real.
We have to dodge all the stuff. All the guys. Oh my god! I'm gonna die.
That is
Revive
not
me.
fair.
I died. Come revive me.
I'll revive you, don't.
I'm the only one with.
Okay, but that is so not fair. You're telling me he's just here? Ogre?
Yeah, ogre.
Yeah.
I would have been fine if they had all the other
Help.
ones, but
Help.
ogre, he can't get past here, right? He can get past here. Oh my god! Yeah,
Yeah, we're
that's right,
chilling.
buddy. Alright, he's despawned. Go as fast as you can. He's back! There's pipe over here. There's pipe, you can get the pipe. We're gonna need to grab an umbrella on our way. I made it. Come on! You can do it! I'll revive you, don't worry. Oh my god.
I almost made it too. Just grab mine.
I'm gonna get an umbrella
Put
and
your
I'll
flashlight in your bag.
Fine, we don't need an umbrella.
Put your flashlight
I almost left you.
down. We do.
I forgot you can't get down there that fast. We're in sewers doing a challenge, so just leave the server. buddy.
You tell him.
Bro, we got no umbrella. Seriously?
Well, I can do the parkour just fine.
I know, but
Do you have an umbrella?
no, I don't. I had Oreos and milk for breakfast. I don't
Okay,
know.
ideal. We should take a detour real quick.
We can't go get a
let me cook.
grappler, right?
No, I'm
wait,
thinking of going in, rage baiting the bombs, and then dipping.
I think there's this. Uh-oh. We can get it, we can get it.
Are you
The bomb
alive?
just despawned. The bomb just despawned. Bro. Oh, my controller just fell and the battery fell out of it. And I'm pretty sure it's broken.
I'll just wait. I'll wait.
I got it. Uh-oh.
Oh god.
Oh, God. Oh, God, please don't hurt me.
Jeez. Hey! Frick, okay, now that's some very unfortunate spawning. That's for sure.
If that was a
Maybe
bomb,
he
I
used
would be dead. Hold up, look around for an umbrella. No umbrella. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I don't think junk spawns here. You should make like an OG thing of this. OG game mode.
They should.
Well,
I
I think I'm gonna go grab the DVD.
No, because you can't put it in a bag. You
I'll
can't
just
put
hold it.
You can't put it in the bag.
I know.
Alright, we gotta make this
Just
jump.
grabbing it.
Easy money.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sure.
I think there's
Shall
like
we-
a sewer section before we go into the full thing, so we can get an umbrella.
Yeah, there is.
We don't need to get an umbrella there though. I swear, if we die here, I'm gonna be so mad.
You know what Murphy's Law is, right?
No.
Basically, it's in saying that everything that can go wrong will go wrong.
Come on. I made it. You just gotta not bounce. You have to have your
Yeah.
head hit it so you don't bounce off.
Or you can just hit it and not react or something. I don't know. It always works fine for me.
Turn your flashlight off because scary lady's here. Oh my god. This thing. Kill it.
Alright. Ow. Okay, so the monsters here are Mimic and the frickin', oh my god, this is actually so easy.
Wait, just.
They're washed. Holy moly, they're washed. I could just, pow, Mimic. Oh, he jumped over both shots. Both of them.
And now he's gonna
Okay,
kill
you
us.
Kill him.
We need to get,
Oh god, Armstrong!
Bro, I'm dead. Are you dead? Don't,
I'm into
please.
the other end.
Bro, I'm dead. Bro. No. Don't tell me you jumped in. I died.
Is it close enough if one of us does it?
I'm just gonna bring this. I'm gonna come back down. What the flippin'? That's all I need. Actually, no, this is cheating. This is all I need. I'm coming. Let me know if you finish it.
Townsy.
Tell me when you're finished. Let me know if you're finished, because, like, I'm already in the main sewer part.
So basically, to summarize what happened is at the possibly almost worst time, I bumped into something. Shouldn't have, but it did.
You died.
Heck, I gotta move room.
So you're telling me you died?
Yeah, but sewers is unbelievably hard.
Yeah, but sewers is.
You know, let's try Haunted Mansion. And if
Yeah,
we
I'm
die
telling you,
one
bro.
more
Sewers
time,
is too difficult.
the next time we die, the video's ending. Alright,
Yeah, we're gonna do haunted mansion.
let's hope we get like
Sewers is way too difficult.
let's hope on the way we get a like fan. Hold up, wait. Let's take a little detour into Armstrong Cave, get a floaty thingy, or like something to kill things with.
Defend ourselves.
Yeah. And maybe possibly a hoverboard would be nice.
Well, you see, that's the thing.
Like one of us gets a hoverboard, one of us gets a pipe. Uh-oh.
Yeah, dude, you go. We're doing the video thing. Thanks, man.
Thanks, you awesome.
Oh, he's right there.
Hold on, wait, we can get free crates. Just let him jump on me.
Dang, they almost hit you with a bait and switch.
He dies because he can't go outside of there.
Oh!
I thought you couldn't get out, bro.
I don't know, he swung
Uh-oh.
right above. He can get out! What?
Come on, run! Run in.
Yeah, let's just go to forest. Plus, we're not supposed to be using non-OG items anyway. Hey, what if we stop by chickens? That would make this easy.
Oh, yeah, we'll stop by chicken. Where are you, by the way?
Chickens.
I see you. Wait a minute.
Alright, so we need to do the classic strat of distractor and, yeah. You distract, I collect.
Bet. Yo, brother. Oh, he can jump! He can jump! He can jump!
The
He
egg
can jump! He can
The
jump!
egg didn't spawn! The egg didn't spawn!
Run! Oh no! Don't worry, I clutched it. I got it.
Oh, thank God.
Skill. Oh. Where are you?
Dark forest.
Dang, how'd you get there so fast?
Because it's right here.
Ah! Make sure not
Yeah,
to
graveyard's also down
anger
here.
Mama Angler. How are we gonna wait a minute, how are we gonna make money?
Mansion.
How are we gonna break the crystals?
I don't know, I guess we just grab stuff
Wait,
in the
we'll
mansion.
just have
Also,
the
look,
bombs.
it's a gold bar.
We'll just have the bombs flash us and open their crates.
Yeah. If it even spawns bombs.
Bro, juked, I juked him. Ah! My damn finger.
Language.
Bro, why would you do that?
Angler, man.
Yeah, Bro's
rage
tweaking.
bait.
He's tweaking.
I wanted to rage bait him.
He's tweaking. Run. This way.
Oh, I so should have checked the map beforehand.
Uh-oh.
Strong arms. Strong
Run.
arms.
Wait till it's green light.
Did you die?
No. It's green light, run. I made it.
Look at D2.
I made it, bro.
Oh, give me a minute. I'll be there. Don't worry.
Alright.
I'm there.
Alright, let's go. Remember, let the bombs flash you. Gotta get their crates. Let's go this way first.
I love it when you get flat. Broken. We can use this.
Stop moaning, woman. God dang. God damn it, that scared me.
How it is scary.
I did so many runs of this map that it doesn't scare me anymore.
It still scares me. Oh my god. Oh my Quandavious Dingle.
Didn't even see that thing.
It doesn't. Shut up. Bro, I hate that it has a jump scare. Key. Alright, now we just need something to break the things with and we can go. We need crates.
Grenade plus RPG.
Do it. Wait a minute.
You already know. Wait a second, we can't use RPG.
We don't have an RPG, bro.
No, like we can't use RPG ammo, it's not OG.
We gotta put it down. That thing's nasty.
I just broke in a door with it. We need to get a crowbar.
Wait a minute, we hold up.
What is this?
It's a damn pogo stick. This just a
And a
thing.
landmine, be careful.
Come on,
That's
bro.
nice.
I never went into that room before.
Yeah, I know it exists. We can use the key to light up everything, because that doesn't summon scary woman.
There's some
Scary
paintings in
painting.
here. Oh, door.
There's a door down here.
Hey, we got something useful. Plunger.
Oh yeah, plunders. Those are OG. Hey, dude, gold bar.
Ooh,
Gold bar.
come on. Come on, bro. We gotta go get more. Let's check around all the doors. Shut up, woman. Bro, don't use the flashlight.
I'll use all I want.
Weird thing is low-key kind of jumped.
It can't
Don't
kill
tell me you died.
Nope. The tentacles were breaching through the wall, so I just had to touch them.
There's another key. Another key.
That we don't need. I don't think there's not any naturally spawning weapons in here, but there are naturally spawning flashes. Right.
To find the bomb. But the bombs aren't spawning.
I know.
But idea.
I have a grenade. I'll see if I can kill something outside.
Red light, green light.
Bingo.
And it's gone. Perfection.
There's still.
Oh, kill that.
Armstrong.
Kill that. How about that? How about that? Bro, can you kill Angstrom? Yes.
All right, come on, please,
No. God.
bro.
God Flipperton.
Shoot, what do we do?
Hold up. Let's go back in.
Should I see if there's any bombs in the forest?
There's no bombs in the forest. They're not naturally spawning things. Why is
Well,
this
yeah,
floating?
but they can spawn randomly.
Why is that floating? Come on. Let's try in the mansion one more time.
Let's try this again. Run it back.
Run that back, run that back. Where you at?
I am at the room with the...
God dang it. Okay, I think I lost the key.
Remember, even if you lose the key, I have a spare.
I got it. Where are you? We have this stuff.
Yeah, hold on, wait.
You remember when mobs could randomly spawn in forest? I'm gonna go see if a bomb did.
Where are you? Can't find you. I can't find you.
Man. I accidentally opened door.
I'm back in the main forest section. Where are you? Where are you?
I'm at Haunted Mansion.
I'm coming back.
There's plenty of junk items that sell for a lot in mansions, believe it or not.
Where are you? I'm in mansion.
Yeah.
I'm in mansion. Yo. Found a harp gun.
You think we can use those?
Yeah, I think those are OG. At least, kinda. I'm gonna walk through the halls, grab some random loot, and grab another key, and then we'll just be gone. Hope that's enough.
Wait, I think keys can sell.
The what? Oh yeah, they can, but I don't think it's for a lot.
Well, they sell for like 500.
That they do.
Oh, you can. Oh, I forgot you can't use hip. Uh-oh. Where do you happen to be? There. Do you want to just go in and see what we can do? No, get it off my hip. Where are you?
Right here.
Let's just go into the section and see what we do. Alright?
Alright.
I got loot in my backpack anyway, so it won't be a complete failure.
Yeah, plus I got, oh.
We should have really just gone a detour to, like, cave.
Well, we did, there wasn't any enemies.
I'm coming!
You're what?
No, I'm not like coming to you. Oh,
Are you seeing this?
seeing what?
It's only showing a, where's Waldo?
Where's Waldo?
Oh, the rest of it's loading in weird for me. I can't see it.
Oh, I
I have to be right here.
It's like flashing on and off for me.
Yeah,
What's
it's
in here?
strange.
Wait a minute.
It's flashing on and off again. It's only in certain parts that it loads properly.
Yeah, there's like one box and that. Alright, anyway. Wait, come on over here. Let's check this out. Where are you?
On my way up.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Oh. I'm here.
By the old.
Let's just sell all of our stuff.
Hey, I ain't selling my stuff.
Okay. How much? What's in here? Still got some.
Should we go into Broke AF and do this?
Yeah, probably should have.
Yeah.
That'll be for another video. I guess we can just end the video here. We've done enough. This video is long enough. So if you guys enjoyed this video, we'll probably be doing a part 2.
Maybe. Do the
Anyway,
other
see you
caves
guys,
and
and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you want. I'm not forcing you to, or maybe I am. Goodbye!